So, where are we going with AI as humanity? And why is this happening? Like, humanity is adamant and on developing AI. So, what is really driving this whole field of AI? So, if we look at the whole human history of thousands of years, humans always wanted to create things and then make them better, more efficient, and we built from, let's say, wheel to aeroplanes, machines, robots, now humanoids, cars, and tons of things, even artificial heart. Now the most sophisticated organism that nature has created is the human body and human life. um, in the body we created, we also tried doing clone, we also did heart, but we had not created an artificial brain. And this is what is happening with AI, that we are creating a sort of a brain which is man-made, artificially created, which works just exactly like humans, how humans brain works. So this whole growth, exponential growth and exponential research, particularly on AI, is driven through this core ambition of mankind to continuously build things. And whenever we build things, we take reference from the nature itself. Like birds fly, so we created aeroplanes. Animals can run faster, so we created cars. And all of it is also an attempt to go beyond the limitations of human body. Well, so that is the inherent ambition, it seems. However, at what stage are we at currently? So we have just scratched the surface in terms of development of AI, and our current methodology is taking the brain, understanding its working, and kind of mimicking it programmatically. And that process we call deep learning, which is completely based on how human brains work. So we have neurons, AI has neurons. We have layers of thinking, it has layers of, let's say, neurons. Uh, so currently it understands language, it understands semantics, but it is not still at the level of human brain. And very soon, as we continue to work on this path, we will kind of surpass the human brain capacity. Uh, AI will be far more superior and efficient than human brain, because not only we are giving it trillions of text, words, sentences, the entire human knowledge is being passed to the AI. And at the same time, it also understands just the way human understands. So we understand the world through our vision, through audio, visual sense, and then through thinking as well, whatever we read. So these AI models, which are multimodal AI, modality means senses. So these multimodal AI, they have a we have given them capacity of visual sense through cameras and by directly uploading images. We have given it audio sense by uploading audio files. We have given it the ability to speak through speaker and through text to speech. Then video is a combination of images and audio, so that comes but natural. So this whole road or ambition of humanity to build something like human brain and even make it better, that will kind of take us to a level where all the work that human brains can do, all the capacity of human brain will be replicated by AI. So wherever there is any work that involves thinking, will easily be automated and can be done by AI. So in the whole field of thought, or in the whole field of psyche, AI will just replicate us, and because we can give it more and more computing power, more and more memory, it will also be able to store more information than human brain. It will be able to process more information than what we can do. It is already doing that right now. It is processing so much amount, which has already surpassed our brain, with ChatGPT and Copilot and all these AI models. However, uh, in terms of, let's say, complex thinking, or in terms of, even when this AI is added to robots, it will be able to do the things that human body can do, like making a tea or coffee, or sweeping the floor and things like that. So, well, we this will take us to a point where humans won't have to work for the sake of work. The work can be done by robots and AI, and humans will choose to work or not. But then there are a lot of social, psychological, and also geopolitical issues involved in all of this. So it's still unclear as to where and how it will go. But purely in terms of technical ability, technical prowess, it's certain, it's for a fact that it will surpass human mind, because the whole field of thinking is a additive process. It's a materialistic process. It's an additive process, um, and the same tools and same capacity is being given to AI, and AI can do that. So uh, there will be nothing that AI won't be able to do that human brain can do. Everything that we can do through thinking or through by using brain will be done by AI, can be done by AI. Now, is this good or is this bad? That is very subjective. Every tool, every weapon has two sides, both sides, so it depends on how we use it. Uh, and because we already live in a chaotic world, I sense that there will be much more chaos and uncertainty in the coming years, because definitely AI will be taking tons of jobs. Many people have been laid off. Lakhs of people have been laid off last year, and the series continued this year as well in 2024. AI can easily do the entry level jobs and even mid level jobs. AI has also started doing creative jobs, so even artists' jobs are kind of getting redundant. And new jobs are coming, they will come, but then the rate at which new jobs will be invented is much less than the rate of layoff. And at the same time, the new jobs will be more expertise driven, they will be more intense, because if simple or medium level things AI can do, then we'll expect humans to do more complex things which AI still can't do. And this will definitely add to the uncertainty and chaos. But then we are somewhere in the middle of the whole human evolution stage. So human evolution journey. So this is somewhere midway or at some in between point basically. So the transition, and we are actually also in the transition phase, because this is the first time where it is happening that human is giving birth to a new species in a way. So uh, so at one point of time we'll need to kind of rethink from a very first principle thinking as to how to build a new society, or how to build a new structure in which we can live. And it's a very complex issue, because this is a global phenomenon now, it is not a nationalistic phenomenon. um, so right now the way we see our life, it's mostly career driven, or it is always behind this or that, throughout school to college to career. And when humans won't need to work for the sake of work, then of course everybody will have a lot of free time, and then a lot of free time brings different sets of challenges. Even if daily income or our daily needs are met through universal basic income or through some other source, still like having free time, we don't we haven't really practiced, we haven't even got space and time to just sit. So a free mind, as we usually say, is a devil's mind. um, as time passes, we'll have to kind of make peace with it in a way, and it has potential to take us to deeper heights or depths of the what we call life. But then that's for another video, because we'll be entering into some sort of spiritual discussion at this point. So this video is just meant for understanding the landscape and what is happening and what could happen technically. So that's my 2 cents on this topic. I think irrespective of whatever background you are from, whether technical or non-technical, at this point it is important that every one of us pay attention to how this field is growing and what is happening, because it's like we are the parents and AI is the child, and it's a single child of the entire humanity, entire human species. So as parents, we do need to kind of look carefully at our child and its progress and his development. So that's it in this video. Thank you. Bye.